Hey, hello everyone. Good morning. Can you confirm audible or not? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Can anyone confirm?
Good morning,
So,
sir.
very good morning. So, where we stopped in the last session, we discussed about the box model, right? We discussed about box model. So, the next level topic is like selectors. Okay, this topic is like very very important. We are going to use in multiple places. Okay, not only in CSS. We are going to use these selectors in multiple places. Okay. So let me open our okay. So this concept, selectors concept, I said like we are going to use in multiple places, right? Where exactly we are going to use, one is like in the CSS, we are going to use the selectors. Another one is like in JavaScript also we are going to use selectors. Where exactly we are going to use, I will tell. The next one is like in the automation testing also. Automation, JavaScript related automation testing also. We automation, not only automation, in testing, in a testing automation or functional also. Functional testing, automation or functional testing also. We are going to use the selectors. We are going to use the selectors. So if you learn selectors, the same selectors we can use in the CSS, in JavaScript, in automation tests also. So let's start. Where exactly we are, what is selector first of all? Where exactly we are going to use? Answer is like very simple. Tell me how we can apply inline, internal and external styling. Inline styling, how we can apply? By using style attribute. Internal styling, how we can apply? By using
Style tag.
style tag. By using style. External styling, how we can apply?
External
Tell
CSS file.
me one CSS file you can write it. You can add this CSS file or not. Now, internal and external syntax, tell me. Internal and external syntax. External syntax, tell me.
Internal style tag.
Style tag is okay. Syntax, tell me. Syntax. First of all, you
Style
have
equal
to
to
take
Selector.
style equals to inline styling, that is style attribute. I am asking about internal and external syntax.
Yeah, we'll use the selector and
You have to
flower
give
bracket.
selector. After that, you have to add what? After that, what you have to add here? You have to
Properties.
add the
property.
properties. Key value pairs or not? Key value pairs. How many key value pairs? Any number of key value pairs you can add it. Now the thing is, our discussion is about this section. Our discussion is about this section, selectors section. First of all, what is selector? By using selectors, what we can achieve? What we can achieve means very simple. By using selectors, we can select an element to whom you want me to apply these CSS properties or not. By using these selectors, you can find an element. To whom you want me to apply these CSS properties or not. Okay. For example, I have one.html file is there. I have one.html file is there. Okay, if you want to apply, okay, the CSS to this particular element, if you want to apply the CSS to this particular element, what is the syntax? Color red I want to apply. First, you have to select an element or not. Okay, how we can select an element? First you have to select an element. How we can select an element? I want to apply red color to this particular div. How we can?
Div.
Okay, you can add like a div or not. You can add like a div. So once you added like a div here, once you added like a div here, after that, what do you need to add as per your requirement? As per your requirement, what you need to add?
Color red.
Red, color red. Now see, this particular div is there, na? This div, I can say like a selector. I can say like a selector. How the browser is going to use this selector to apply the CSS properties means, see browser, how it is going to find. My browser has to apply color red to one element. That element, first of all, my browser has to find it. My browser knows color red how to apply, but the element should be present or not. Yes or no? So how my browser is going to check, or how my browser is going to find that element means, by using selectors my browser is going to find that elements. Now whenever you write in the selectors section one text without any prefix, okay, without any symbols, without any prefix, just you written like one plain text like this, my browser just treat that one like a tag name. My browser treat that one like a tag name. Now what my browser is going to do? First my browser check, there has a text is there, there is no prefix, nothing. My browser think this text is like a, my browser just consider this text is like a
Tag.
tag
Tag
name.
name.
So immediately my browser go to where? In the one.html, it go to my elements tab. Okay, in the developer console window, it go to the elements tab and check which element name. Okay, that means which elements are having name is like div. It find those elements and apply which color, and apply which color, color red or not. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you write just text without any prefix, that particular text my browser treated like a, that
Tag
particular
name.
text my browser treated like a tag. Okay, so can I say the first selector is like a tag name selector? The first selector is like what? A tag name selector. Now onwards, whatever you write the text, okay, without any prefix, my browser simply treated like a tag name. And my browser go to which tab? In the developer console window. In the developer console window, my browser go to which tab? Come on. In the
Element.
developer
Elements
console
tab.
window, my browser go to elements tab and check for what? Check for what? The
All the
tag,
elements
whose
having that
name,
tag.
the tag, okay, the element whose name is like a div. It find those elements and apply the color red or not. Apply the color red. Understood? Now,
Yes.
for example, if I write something like this, what happened? If I write something like this, what happened?
It will not apply any color.
It is not apply any color or not. It is not apply any color. What is the reason?
There is no tag like text.
My browser simply treat this one like a tag name. It go to which tab? Elements tab. In the elements tab, any element whose name is like a text, in the elements tab, any name whose name is like text, any predefined element whose name is like
No.
text. If it is there, it is going to apply. If it is not there, it is not apply or not. Yes, sir. Got my point.
Yes.
Okay. This is a tag name selector. Let me write one simple program. Can I create one file? Selectors dot, what is the file extension? HTML, you can write it. HTML, you can write it. So here I have one element h1. There has one more element para. there has one more element. Okay, div. I want to apply color red to all these elements. I want to apply color red to all these elements. Tell me how we can apply color red. So first of all, color red CSS property I added. Here in this place, what we need to add? In this
Select.
H1.
selector, we need to add it. So at this moment, okay, as we discussed, which selector you know? Tag name selector.
Name.
And I write like H1, H1 color red. So if you come here, if you run this one, okay, now my search in the red color. I want Dhoni and Kohli also in the red color only. Then how we can I write
Comma P.
para
Comma D.
color red. The next one is like div color red. Can I write like this? Possibility there or not there? Yes, there. But is it the recommended one or not recommended?
Not.
Not recommended. What is the reason behind this? You written like
Duplicate code.
whenever you apply the same CSS properties for multiple elements, you can write the selector with comma separated or not. Instead of writing multiple times, just you can write like the selectors with comma separated. Whenever, if you want to apply the same CSS properties for multiple elements, then you can go with what? Then you can go with what? The selectors with comma separated. Understood?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Okay. Now, there has how many elements are there in the body? Three
3.
elements. Let's think there has 100 different elements are there. 100 different elements are there. Elements are there. For all these 100 elements, so I want to apply color red. So what you want me to do? All these elements I want to apply color red. Then what you want me to do?
Universal selector.
First element, second element, third element. Okay, universal selector is there. Okay, out of 100 elements, 99 elements I want to apply color red. Now, how many elements you have to write here? Tell me. First element, 100, 100 elements are there. It's not same elements, different elements. Out of 100, 99 elements I want to apply red color. Out of 100, 99 elements I want to apply red color. As per our so far discussion, okay, you know the tag name selector. Here, how many tags you want me to write? Third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh. Like this, how many you have to write?
99.
99. Is it recommended one? Do you think?
No.
99 elements you want me to write? Half of the page is occupied by those elements only. More than that, maintenance is like very difficult. Some element you want me to add or some element you want me to find, it's very difficult to us or not? Yes or no? So one or two elements, if you want to apply the same CSS properties, you can go with the tag name. But there are so many elements are there. If you want to apply the same CSS properties to those elements, is the tag name selector is the recommended one or not recommended one?
Not recommended.
Not recommended one or not? Then you want me to go with what? Then you
Different
want me to go with
selector.
what? Hmm?
Different selector we should.
Yeah, different selector. What is that selector? You should not use like a tag name selector. You should go with another selector. What is that selector? That is class name selector. That is what? Class name selector. So if you write like a normal text, my browser can understand this text like what? If you don't have any prefix, my browser
Tag
just
name.
want like a tag name. Now, how we can tell to my browser, hey, this is not the tag name. This is like a class. How we can tell to the browser? Just that
Dot.
text,
Dot.
you can
Dot.
prefix with the dot. Whenever you put something like dot, my browser can understand this particular CR is like a, this CR is like a
Class.
Class name.
Class name or not. Okay, whenever my browser find this one is like a class name, now my browser try to find the elements or not. How my browser is going to find those elements? It go to the elements tab and check which element has the class is like what, CR or not. Yes, sir. Which
Yes.
element has the class is like CR. Okay, now we don't have any class, we don't have any element who has the class is like CR. Then how we can find, how we can
Should
apply?
add the class name to
Now
the
we
element.
have an attribute is there. What is that attribute? Class is an
Class.
attribute. Is like what? Is like what? CR. Class is like an attribute. Okay, it's like CR or not. Whenever you apply the class attribute CR, my browser checks, okay, which element or elements having the class attribute CR, okay, it is going to find all those elements and apply red color or not. Agreed? Come on. If you just remove this one, now only two elements. Now those two elements only applied with red color. The third element is not. Agreed? Hmm? Understood?
Yes.
Oh, now my question. Can I write duplicate classes for the same element? What is the impact? Can I write duplicate elements for the same? What is the impact? Same element, duplicate classes. If you write, then the time the impact is like what? Okay, nothing. Why? Because the first one and second one is like same only or not. Yes or no? There is no impact, but it is not a recommended one or not. Yes, no? So for a one element, how many classes we can write? For one element, how many classes you can write? How many
One.
classes you can write? Good. How many classes you can apply? Class attribute is one, but how many classes we can apply? Multiple classes you can apply. Multiple classes you can apply. See, in my case, it is applied CR and FS also or not. Got my point. How we can differentiate one class to another class? How we can differentiate one class to another class?
Space.
By using space or not? By using space. So one element can contains multiple classes or not. Okay, now there has one more class color blue, one more class color blue. Now if you write something like this, can anyone tell me my Dhoni in which color? My Dhoni is in which color?
Blue.
My Dhoni in which
Blue
color?
color.
Blue color. Okay, why means, okay, whenever you write like a CR first applied color red, after that CB is there, CB applied
Override.
color blue, my color red is override by
Blue color.
color blue or not. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so this is something about which selector. What's the selector name? Class name
Class.
select. Okay, how we can tell to the browser this is like a class using
Dot.
dot. Okay, perfect.
So if I have the tag style and class style same,
Which one? Okay, you
if I
want me
have
to put
CR,
here.
yeah,
Okay, you want me to,
another
okay, color equals to yellow.
yellow.
Color equals to yellow. Can anyone guess? Color equals to yellow. Can anyone guess? Come on. Tell me anything. Tell.
Maybe the
To
second
my
one.
to my H1. Now see this. First H1 tag, right? Yes or no? So color bit yellow. Tag is starting first, right? When it is entered into the attributes after the tag only, right? So H1 applied with the color yellow. The
Yellow.
next section is what? CR. CR is what? Color red. So that my color yellow override with color red.
Right. Okay.
Okay, no?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The next one. So among these players, Okay, among there are multiple players over there. Okay, among these players, my Sachin is like something special. So I want to apply specific CSS properties only Sachin. I don't want the same CSS properties multiple elements. I want a specific CSS properties for only Sachin. Then the time which selector is the recommended one.
ID.
ID selector. ID selector. Okay, ID means what? It's a unique identity. It represents what? Unique identity. Okay, so among these players, okay, my Sachin is like unique always. So that, okay, some unique properties I want to apply. So how we can apply? My ID equals to, just you can write, okay, Sachin, something like this. Now my question is, okay, how we can tell them a browser, okay, this is like an ID, how we can tell? If you something like this leave it, then my browser treat this SCA like a,
Tag name.
yes, it's a tag name. Why? Because it's not prefixed with anything. That the reason my browser simply think like it's a tag name. Okay, so you want me to use SCA as a like a tag name? No, no. Okay, you want me to use this SCA like a, you want me to tell this SCA to my browser as like a tag name? No. Okay, how you want me to tell to my browser this SCA is like a ID, right? If you want to tell this SCA is like a class name, how we can mention? Dot you can
Dot.
mention. But that is not the case. So yeah, I want to make this CSA to, okay, I want to convince to my browser, hey browser, can you use this CSA like a ID? So how we can tell? By using one
Hash.
prefix hash. Whenever you put like hash, prefix with hash, the selector, my browser simply treat this one SA like a ID. So immediately go to which tab? My browser. In the developer console window, which tab it is go?
Elements.
It goes to elements tab or not. It goes to the elements tab, the complete DOM, every element inside elements tab only. Check my browser. Okay, which element has, okay, which element has the ID is like SA. Okay, whatever you written the CSS, that CSS is applied to my H1 or not. Agreed? Come on. Now, can you come here? Can I refresh my page? My session is like applied or not? My session is like applied. Got my point? Everyone is okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. And one more question. Okay. Just you can answer. Okay. Don't use the names anytime like this. Just for our understanding purpose, I'm writing. Yeah. Question is like my pant in which color?
Red.
Red.
Pant is applied with which color? All are agreed with that? Okay, first come to the span, okay, C1 and color red. Now I'm going to change the order. Will it impact or not impact? Just I change the order. Will it impact or not impact?
It will. Now yellow.
Okay, it is going to impact or not impact. Now the first one is like what? The first
ID.
ID and the color. Okay, class is like C1. Okay, now my panth is in which color?
Red.
Color red. Okay, now if I do the changing the order, okay, the panther in which color? Come on, panther in which color?
Red.
Red. Now tell me the priority. Selectors wise priority order. Tell me. My ID is always get the first priority or not. So
Okay.
if you write like ID and class, Okay, my id get the first priority or not? Yes or no? Okay, after that, if you write, if you take okay, this span and class, there is no id, there is no id, span and class, which one get the priority?
Yes.
Which one get the priority? My
Class.
class. My class get the priority. Okay na? And my tag name and id, who get the priority?
ID.
ID.
Obviously id. Obviously id. Okay. Okay then. Up to here, okay. Okay. These are like very simple things. Now onwards, you can tell. Okay. Now onwards is important for us. You can think and tell. Okay. Okay. So I want to apply red color to my search. I want to apply red color to my search. Okay. One thing you have to remember, the condition is like you have the rights to update in this area, style tag. You don't have any rights to update this section. Okay, na? You have the rights to update where? In the
Style.
style section. You don't have any rights to update. This is like a constant thing like that. Okay, let's go. I want to apply red color to my searching. I want to apply red color to my searching. Hmm?
First of type.
So far what you learn, so far what you learn, if you use those selectors, will it work or not work? First thing you learned H1. What is this H1? It's a
Tag.
selector,
Tag.
tag
Tag.
name selector. If I go with the tag name selector, if I go with the tag name selector, then what happened if you observe? How
UV also.
many how many elements whose name is like H1, Sachin and UV, both. Okay, so this is not my requirement. Do we have any ID for this element?
No.
No.
No. Okay, can I add the ID?
No.
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 Okay, because my condition is what?
Did not
These
change.
things you should not change. You don't have any rights. Okay. Now tell me how we can. Okay, very simple selector. I'm going to write the selector. You only explain to me, okay? You only explain to me. It's working? Working or not?
Yes.
So explain now. Anyone?
So the first H1 will be applied red color.
Okay. First, how my browser check this element means very simple. Okay. Can we split this one is like two sections first? Okay, na? First section is what?
Tag.
H1 tag.
H1.
It's a tag name selector. So whenever you use the first section, you can select, my browser can find how many elements?
2.
Two elements. So at this moment here, you have how many elements in your hand?
2.
2 elements.
Two elements, perfect. In your hand, two elements. Now, can I add the next selector? Okay. What is the selector? Tell me.
First.
First child. Everyone knows, right? In HTML, it's like a hierarchy-based approach. Any element you can take except HTML. Okay. Any element come under. Okay. That means any element is like one children to respect to parent or not. In HTML, any element you can take it. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Except HTML, remaining all elements. Okay, it's like what? One children or not? One of the parent. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Now, how many elements in your hand at this moment? Selected part only. Just tell me. How many elements in your
Two.
hand?
Two.
Two elements. Perfect. Two H1s in your hand. Among those two H1s, which H1 is the first children of any parent? Tell me. Which H1 first children of any parent? Okay,
Searching.
so come here. Two, right? Okay, here, instead of here, you can come to this section so that you can easily understand. H1, how many H1s in your hand? This selector, how many H1s in your hand? Tell me.
Two.
Two.
H1s. My first, go to the elements tab. My first H1 is what? Sachin. The
Sachin.
selector is what? First child. First child selector means it is a first children of any parent or not, it is going to check. My Sachin is the first children of any parent. Yes or no? Tell.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, it is a children of
Body.
body. At the same time, it's a first children or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so that okay, up to here H1, two H1s are there. One H1 is like a first children of one parent. The next H1 is what? You have to check all the H1s. Next H1 is what? UV. Is my UV is the first children of any parent?
No.
No.
No, no. So my UV is a third children of my body or not? So tell me, up to here, two H1s in your hand, and if I check this first children or not, okay, how many H1s you can get finally? Here, two H1s. Up to here, once executed, how many H1s satisfied my condition, first child condition?
One.
One.
One. Who is that guy?
Sachin.
Searching.
Sachin. That Sachin, after that, no selectors are there. That Sachin applied with which color?
Red.
Red color or not? Then that Sachin applied with red color. Okay. Now slight change I am going to do you. Okay. Slight change I am going to do. You only tell me. Now what's the answer? Now what is the answer? Now what is the answer? Can anyone?
Searching and UV.
UV.
Sachin and UV.
UV.
Yes, no. Sachin and UV. Why Sachin and UV? Tell me. First, okay, you can split it. Okay. First one, H1. How many H1s are there?
Three.
Three. Perfect. Up to here, three H1s, you can get it. You can take the first one. Who is the guy? First guy.
Sachin.
Sachin. So that Sachin. Sachin is a first child of any parent or not? Tell me. Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
no, yes. So that, okay, that element, keep it. That element, keep it. Next H1 is what? Next H1
UV.
is what? UV. My UV is the first children of any parent. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 UV is the first children of which parent?
Division.
Div.
U.
Then.
So that any parent. Yes. So keep it the UV. So for how many are there? Sachin and UV. Next element is what? Next element is what?
Boomerang.
Bumrah. Okay, who is the parent of Bumrah?
Body.
Body. Is my Bumrah is the first children?
No.
Who is the first guy? Sachin is the first children.
Sachin.
Searching.
So that you can leave it. Okay, finally, how many elements in your hand which satisfied my selector? Two. Who is that? Sachin and Sachin and UV. So that my Sachin and UV in the red color or not? Sachin and UV in the red color. Agreed, everyone? Hmm? Agreed, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the selector name? This is what is the selector?
First child.
Selector name is what? First child. The selector name is like first child. The next one. Hmm. Which element, okay, or which player in the red color? Which player in the red color?
Bumrah.
Which player in the red color? Which player in the red color? UV. The answer is UV. But no problem. Explain. Total, how many H1s are there? Overall, how many H1s are there?
3 H1s.
3 H1s are there. Okay. What is my selector? Next,
Last child.
last child. First child selector, what you said? First children of any parent. Last child, last children of, come on, last children of any parent.
Any
So
parent.
let's go with Sachin. Is my Sachin is the last children of any parent? Tell me.
No.
No. So that leave it. The next one, UV. Is my UV is the last children of any parent? Come on.
Yes.
This is
Yes,
only one.
right.
First
One.
child.
Okay. One. Okay. One couple is like only one children is there. That children
Right.
is like that guy only the first baby. Okay, last baby, right? Yes or no?
Right.
So this is like applied. The next one is like Bumrah. Is Bumrah is the last children? Is Bumrah is the last
For
children?
for body, yes.
No, no. Okay, see.
Okay.
Okay, parent. Okay, one couple is there. Okay,
Huh.
baby boy and baby girl. Two children are there. Okay, first baby boy born. Okay, next baby girl. Now tell me, who is the last children? What's your answer? Baby girl, right?
Baby girl.
Yes or
Yeah.
no? Okay, here my lost children is what? Div, not H1, right? You got
But
my
tag
point?
is H1, right?
Now tag is H1. Baby boy and baby girl. Okay, lost children means what you can say? You are going to tell like boy, yeah? No, na.
No. Okay.
Yes or no? Just we are looking for. See, up to here H1 you are looking for. That's okay. This selector is
Uh,
looking for lost children only or not? Yes, no. Lost children. Yes or no? To my body, who is
okay.
the lost children? Tell me. To my body, simply who is the lost children?
Dhoni.
Dhoni.
Sorry.
Dhoni means div. You are looking for what? H1 as a lost children
H1.
or not? Matching or not matching?
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Not match, right? So that ignore it. Got my point?
So
So,
if we don't have UV, then
yeah, obviously,
none
Bumrah.
of them.
Yeah, UV is not there, then the time none of them. Here, Dhoni is not there, then the time Bumrah.
Bumrah. Okay. Got it.
Agreed? Last child. So, first child is nothing but first children of any parent. Last child is nothing but, come on, last children of any
Any
parent.
Any parent.
Any parent. Any parent is important. So, for good, everyone.
Yes.
Okay, next. I want Kohli in the red color. What's that? I want, come on, I want Kohli in the red color. Can you tell me the selector?
span and first child.
Span,
First
And
child.
span, first child. Do you think it's a right one? Tell me. Is my span is the first children of any parent.
Span of second child.
Second children, right? Who is the
second child.
parent? Body. Okay, body first children is what? Sachin, not Kohli, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Right.
yes.
So if you write like span first child, okay, now nothing applied. Why? How many spans are there? Two spans are there.
Two
First
spans.
one Kohli. Is my Kohli is the first children of any parent?
No.
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 Is my Lara is the first children of any parent?
No.
No.
No. So that nothing is applied. Nothing is applied. Now I have one more selector is there. Just you can see my Kohli is in the red color or not. What is the selector? Can anyone explain me? What is the selector? Selector
First
name is what?
child.
First,
First of type.
first of type. The selector name is like first of type. Okay, na? The selector name is like first of type. First of type, how is going to work means very simple. How many spans are there? First question. Tell me. How many spans are there?
Two.
Two
Uh,
spans.
You can split it. Every time split it. Two spans are there. Who is the first
Right.
one?
Coily.
Okay.
Coily.
So first of type, how is going to work? In any parent, say listen carefully. Okay, in any parent, if I travel top to bottom, okay, why? Because it's a first of type. Last of type means travel bottom to top. So whenever you see the first of type in any parent, if I travel top to bottom, okay, wherever the first span is there, first occurrence, okay, top to bottom, if I travel, where is my first span? To that span only applied what? Color red. Okay, done. Now tell me, the first one is like span. How many spans are there? How many spans are there?
Two spans.
Two spans. Okay, first span is what?
Coily.
Kohli. Okay, what is the selector?
Span.
First of type. First, next
First.
selector. First of type. First
First
of type is nothing but what? In any parent. Who is the parent of my span?
parent. Body.
Body. Okay, in the body, in any parent, if I travel top to bottom, okay, which span is the first one?
Coily.
Kohli. So that Kohli applied with the
First of
red
type.
color.
Right.
Okay, next span is what? Hmm. Next span is what? Lara.
Lara.
Who is the parent of my Lara?
Body.
Body. Okay, what is my selector? First of type.
First of type.
Lara parent? Body.
Body.
So in the body, if I travel top to bottom, is my Lara span is the first occurrence, or Kohli span is the first occurrence?
Kohli span.
Coily is
Kohli
the
span. So that's my Lara is not the first occurrence, so it is just ignored. Agreed? First of type.
yes.
Okay, you can take the element. The element obviously one children or not to parent. In that parent, if I travel top to bottom, is that element is the first occurrence or not? You can check it. Now, if I do the change, lost of type, what is that? If I do
Lara.
the change, is like lost of type. What is that?
Lara.
Lara. Okay. Lost of type, it travel top to bottom or bottom to top? Bottom to
Top to
Bottom.
top in
bottom.
that parent only. First span Kohli. Who is the parent? Body. My selector is what? First of type, last of type.
Last of
Last of type. My traveling is like what? Top to bottom or
last
bottom to top?
bottom to top.
Bottom to top.
Top.
If I go bottom to top, is my Kohli is the first occurrence. Lara is the first occurrence.
Lara is first
Lara.
occurrence.
So my Kohli is like ignored or not? Got my point? Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then the next one. Span and Kohli. Okay. And B UV and B UV. Okay, here I have one more span is there, Lara. And here, okay, there has one more span is there. Okay, Pantha. There has one more span is there, Pantha. Now, can anyone tell me? Okay, I want to apply Dhoni and Kohli in the red color. I want to apply what? Dhoni and Kohli in the red color. Okay, I want to apply Dhoni and Kohli in the red color. The hierarchy first understand. Can I run this one? Can I remove this? Just save this one. Can I run it? Yeah, the hierarchy is what? HTML. Next, a div body. In the body, okay, we have a div. Inside the div, multiple elements are there. Inside div, para is there. Para content span like this. Now my question is, Dhoni and Kohli, I want in the red color. Okay, first, how many spans are there? Tell me. Overall, how many spans are there?
4 spans.
5.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Then
5.
there's a 4, 5. All the 5 spans I want in the red color. Then
You can just
Tag
put span
selector.
color.
yes, go with the tag name selector.
Tag.
Go with the tag name selector. Now, if you come here, all 5 are in the red color. Done. Okay. Now, you want Ola or you want only Dhoni Kohli na?
Dhoni Kohli.
Dhoni Kohli. Now, my question is like how you can select those. Hmm? Anyone? Anyone?
Div
Immediate.
space span.
You say
Div space span. Color red.
div space span.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Rohit also commented, right?
Only children of div.
Hmm?
Div greater than span.
There has one selector is there. Okay, greater than. There has one selector is there. What is the selector? Greater than. So, can I use greater than? After that, you only explain. Okay. Now, if I use greater than, will it work or not work? Satisfied my requirement or not? Yes, no. That's right. So, my question is, can anyone tell me about this greater than selector? Can anyone tell me about this greater than selector?
Children of div.
First, by seeing this DOM, okay, first, how many divs are there? Okay, my browser, how is going to think? See, I'll tell. How many divs are there? First question. Tell me. Okay, this div is what kind of selector? The text without any prefix. My browser thinks like what?
Tag name.
Tag.
Tag.
So in the elements tab, okay, how many elements whose name is like div? How many elements are there?
2.
One,
1,
one,
2.
two elements are there. Okay, perfect. Now let's take like a first element first. Okay, two elements means, okay, you have to check every element. The selector you have to apply for all the elements. Two elements are there. First element you can check it. First element at line number 11. Okay, 8. Line number 8. Now the selector is what? Next level selector. Next level selector is what? Tell me. Greater than. Greater than is nothing but what, you know? Okay, simply A greater than B is nothing but what? A is the big one or not? Yes or no? Okay, here, okay, parent to children. Okay, just think in that way. Who is the big one? Parent
Parent.
only or not? So, my div greater than means simply now onwards you can understand like my div is a parent. Simply. But greater than is nothing but what, you know? It is going to give direct children's only. Now tell me, who is the direct children's to my div? My span is the direct children or not? Dhoni? Yes or no? Line number
Yes.
8 div, direct children's. Greater than means direct children's only. How many direct children's to my line number 8 div? Dhoni? Kohli? Next. UV? The
UV.
next one is what?
P. Paragraph tag.
Para. My span is the Rohit, the direct children to do what?
No.
No, it's a
Grandchildren.
grandchildren, right? It's a
Yes.
grandchildren or not. So that here, first div if you take greater than means how many elements you can get it? How many direct children are there for my first div only? I'm talking about. How many direct children are there? Tell me. 4. What are those? Can anyone spell out?
Dhoni.
Dhoni,
Kohli.
Kohli, UV,
UV.
and para.
Paragraph.
And para. Okay. So two spans, one B, one para or not. So here 4 elements are there. Among those 4 elements, which one you want me to select?
Span.
span. So how many spans are there among those four?
One.
Two. So that those two are in which color?
Red color.
Red color or not. Done. That is the first div. Okay. Next, another div is where? Line number
17.
17. Line number 17, another div is there. Div greater than means what?
Div is a parent child.
Yeah. Line number 17 div greater than means line number 17 div children's, you can get it. Direct children's. Now tell me, line
Yes.
number 17 div, do we have any direct children's?
No.
No. Then leave it. If children's are there, I can check for spans. If the children's are not there, just leave it. Okay, so finally, how many spans are in the red color? Finally, how many
Two.
spans are in the red color? Two
Two
spans or
spans.
not? What are those? Dhoni
Dhoni and
and
Kohli.
Kohli or not? Okay, na? That is a
Yes.
what? Direct children. Now, as you said, space. Then what is space? How the space selector is going to work?
The span tag is available in every division tag.
It's a
Indirect
kind
change.
of, okay,
Mm.
it's a kind of greater than means direct children's. Space means direct or indirect children's. Okay, na? Let's go. How many divs are there again? Come on. How many divs are there? One, two.
Two.
Two divs are there. First div you can take it. Selector is what? After div. Space or
Span.
greater than?
Space.
Space. Greater than means what? Direct
Direct
children's
child.
only.
Direct.
Okay. Space means direct or indirect. Tell me, direct or indirect, how many children are there? 1, 2, 3, para, 4, and Rohit 5, right? So, total how many elements you can get it? If the selector is like space, 5. 5. Among those 5, which one you want me to select?
Span.
Span.
Span. How many spans are there among those 5?
Three spans.
Three
Three.
spans. Now those three, after that, after the span, do you have any selector? No. So that, okay, those three spans applied with which color?
Red
Color
color.
red or not? Okay, that is the first div. Second div, can I go? Yes. Okay, do we have any space means what? Direct or indirect children's? Do we have any direct or indirect children's to my, okay, line number 17 div?
No.
No. So that leave it. So my answer is like what? Dhoni, Kohli,
Oh,
Rohit
Rohit.
or not. Understood the difference between greater than and space? Go on. Understood or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Greater than is nothing but
Immediate children.
Direct child.
Direct children.
direct children.
Direct
Space
children.
is nothing but direct or
Direct or indirect child.
Indirect.
difference or not. Okay. So take okay 5 minutes this test. Okay. Everyone go to this one. Write test.in. Okay, just log in with your credentials. Once you log in, okay, just write the test. Okay, HTML. Can you do it? 5 minutes. Just do within 5 minutes. Just write, everyone. Go to writetest.in. Open this website. Everyone, open this website first. Open up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to the registration. If you're not registered, just register. You can give the email. You can give the email. Okay, once you given the email and check your email, okay, you can get like password. If already registered, your email already existed, something like this, you can get it. Okay, once you have the password and you go to this, you can give the username and password and click on the login and go to the write test and select HTML and write the test, everyone. Okay, na? Okay, take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can write. I will back. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So greater than and space. You got the difference, right? Okay then. Now important thing. Let's go. Span Lara. This span it is here, and the next one is like you can take one more B or something. For that. B or something for that. Okay, na? Now my question is I want this Lara in the red color. Very, very important. Think and tell. Okay, line number 17, I want in the red color. Line number 17, I want in the red color. Tell me. Line number 17, I want in the red color. Hmm? Line number 17, Lara. Lara, I want in the red color. Anyone? Can I write like div greater than span? Will it work or not work? Will it work or not work? Tell me.
Not.
Not work. If it is not work, that's okay, fine. Which players in the red color? If I write the selector like this,
Dhoni, Kohli, Lara.
Dhoni, Kohli.
yeah, Dhoni, Kohli, and Lara also or not. But I want only Lara, na? But I want only Lara. Dhoni, Kohli, Lara. But I want only Lara. Tell. So, first thing, as per my requirement, only Lara is required, right? Lara inside which div? Direct Lara is a span, no ID, no class. So, to find it as like a unique element. So, who is the parent of my Lara? Who
Div.
is the div? So, let's think about this hierarchy. Okay, div, span is there. Tell me, I want the second div. How we can get the second div? Second div selector, tell me first. Second div selector. If you tell the second div selector, okay, almost our requirement is done. Second div selector.
UID.
ID, no, we don't, you don't have any rights. You have the rights to do something in the style tag only. Okay, na? Tell me. Viewer, what do you think more? Lost of type. Will it work or not work? Tell me, anyone. In the parent, who is the parent of my div? Body. In the parent, if I travel top to bottom or bottom to top, lost of type.
Bottom to top.
Bottom.
Bottom to top, if I travel, which div is the first occurrence? Line number 16 only or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? I am here now. I am here now. Okay. So second div, I am in the second div. So second div contains what? Lara Pollard. You want both Lara Pollard? You want only Lara na?
Only Lara.
Okay, you want both Lara and Pollard or only Lara? Only Lara.
Lara.
So I am here. I want to travel here. Parent to children. Tell me. Parent to children. Which selectors are there? Parent to children.
Greater than.
Parent
First child.
greater than space. Yes or no? So whenever I write greater than or space, okay, greater than means direct children. How many direct children are there to my div? Line number 16 div. 2. Okay. Among those two, which one you want?
Span.
Lara. Okay, means span. So that you can get, okay, only Lara in the red color or not. Agreed?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
Okay, whenever you are not able to find the proper selector at element level, you can go to the parent level. There also not go to the next parent, something like this. Your hierarchy you have to build. Okay. I want UV in the red color. Then I want UV in the red color. Anyone?
Stuff
First of
type.
type direct child B.
B. Yeah.
Give first child.
First.
Can I?
First.
Yes. First of type also works. First child of any parent. This div is the first child of any parent or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I am here now. I want to travel inside. If you want to travel inside, parent to children, which selectors are there? Greater than and
Space.
span. Okay,
Space.
space, sorry, greater than space. Okay, you can go with anything based on your requirement. Greater than means what? Direct children's. 1, 2, 3, 4 direct children's, you can get it. What are those? Two spans, one B, one para. Which one you want? Among those four, which one you want?
U.
B only, na? So that you can get like what? UV or not. So that you can get like UV. Agreed, everyone? Tell me. Okay, na? Okay. Now the next, okay, greater than span, understood na? The next one. Tell me the possible selectors. See my question. Tell me the possible selectors. See, possible selectors for UV. Tell me the possible selectors. Okay, well, not only one selector. You can tell multiple selectors to select UV. Anyone? Tell me the possible selectors.
First of type.
First of
B.
type.
Perfect. First of type. Okay, so can I write like B first of type? Okay, you are right. B first of type, you can get the UV in the red color. Okay, perfect. Next. Like that, multiple selectors I want. Possible selectors. So in HTML, it's like a hierarchy based. That the reason every element is like a children or not. Every element is children or not, directly or indirectly. Okay, it's like a children to one parent or not. Yes or no, except HTML. Come on.
Yes.
Okay, so to that particular element, if the element is like a children to one of the parent, the child count is like applied or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now here these all are inside, these all are placed inside
Body.
body. So these all are like a children's to my body or not. So my first children to my body, who is that guy? Dhoni. Second one, Kohli. My third one is what?
UV.
UV or not. So total how many B's are there? How many B's are there? 2 B's are there. Among those two, whose child count is like 3? Among
UV.
those two, whose child count is like 3? One, whose child count is like 3? UV only
UV.
or
UV.
not. So that, okay, UV is applied with what? Red color or not? See, if no selector is there, this selector is applied for any children or not? Yes or no? Okay, if you don't know any selector, this selector is common for all. We can apply this selector for any or not, most of the times. Yes or no? Tell me. Got my point? Okay.
So why we are taking B? We should take body, right? That one.
No. Okay, body is not the children, right? Okay. B is the child, body is the parent. Understood? I'm talking about B child count. Is my body okay? B child
Okay,
count.
okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Done. Up to here, okay, everyone? Okay, then. The next possible selector. The next possible selector. My next possible selector is. Okay, just I'm going to write like this. You only answer it, okay? You will selected or not? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Now, what is the selector? Selector is what? Plus. Can anyone explain me plus? What is this plus? Anyone knows? Don't know?
Sibling, I think.
Yeah, that is first. How many spans are there? First, split it. Split it. This is easy for us. How many spans are there? First question. How many spans are there?
Oh,
4.
1, 2, 3, 4 spans are there. I don't want to make you confused. Just okay. Now tell me how many spans are there?
2.
2
Two spans are there. So up to here you can get like a 2. What is the selector? Greater than a? No. Spacer? No. What is the selector?
plus.
Plus.
Plus. Plus is nothing but what you know. Next sibling. What is that? Next sibling. Okay, next sibling is nothing but what? After that, okay, who is like a next children? That is a next sibling or not? Yes or no? So first span is what? Kohli. Kohli next sibling. Who is the next sibling? Kohli next sibling.
UV.
UV.
UV na UV. Next, this is one more span, right? Who is the next sibling of Rohit? Lara. Yes or no? Come on. Okay. UV is which element? V. Lara is which element?
Div.
D. So after this plus, how many elements in your hand?
2.
Two elements. Among
Elements.
those two, which one you want me to select?
B.
B. So that B is what? UV. That UV in the red color or not? Agreed? Huh? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so plus is what? Plus is next sibling. Plus is what? Plus is next sibling. Okay, now everyone?
Yes.
I want UV and pollard in the red color. I want UV and pollard in the red color. Can anyone guess? UV pollard. Hmm? I want UV and pollard.
So, nth child. No, no, no.
Nth child gives what? One element. Nah.
1. Yeah.
But I want like
Span plus B space div plus B.
say again, tell me.
Span plus B space div plus B.
Span. Okay, two selectors you should not write. Nah.
2.
Only one selector.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. So I'm going to write the selector first and then you only tell. Okay, UV polar. So what is my selector here? What is my selector here? Tell me, what is my selector?
Span tilde B.
Tilde, tilde. Tilde, how it is going to work means plus next sibling, only singular, next sibling, tilde, all the next siblings. Okay, now come here. Spans, how many spans are there? Tell me, how many spans are there?
One span.
Only one. Okay, what is the selector? What is the
Tilde.
selector? Tilde. Tilde is nothing but next sibling or next siblings are?
All next siblings.
All next siblings. How many next siblings are there? After this
3.
span, how many next
3.
siblings are there? 3.
3.
Among those 3, which one you want me to select?
B.
B. So that B is what? UV and polar
Polar.
or not. Okay, na?
Yes.
Tell me what selectors we discussed so far. Tag name, class name. Next. ID selector. Next. First child. Next.
First
Last
child,
child.
first of
Next.
type,
First of type.
last of type,
Last of type.
greater than,
Greater
space,
than.
Character
Space.
is
Next.
plus tilde,
Plus.
tilde.
Plus
and child,
nth child also, no? Nth child also. Nth child also. The next one, universal selector. Okay, it's very simple. Universal selector means it apply the color or apply the CSS properties to H1 HTML element. If you apply the CSS properties to the HTML element, all elements come under what? HTML only or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay, it's a kind of universal selector. If you want to apply any CSS properties to entire page, then the time you can go with the universal selector. How the universal selector is looks like? How the universal selector is looks like? Tell me.
Star.
Star. Star. Done. And one more selector. Okay, see, these not only these selectors, some other, but these are enough. Okay. Now, one more selector is like what? Attribute selector. What is that selector name? Attribute selector. So I have one span is there, Sachin. Okay. Here my attribute is like name is like yes, for example. Okay. There has one more span. One more span is like a Kohli. Kohli. Okay. There has one more span is like UV. Okay. I want Sachin in the red color. Then how you know? Sachin has one of the attribute. What is the attribute? Tell me. What is
Name.
an
Name.
attribute? Name,
Photos.
yes. So I can copy it, keep that attribute in the stringified format like this. That's it. Okay, keep that attribute in the okay in this format. Directly you can apply in this format. Okay, don't change this one. Okay, in the stringified format only can add it, that value. Now, if you come here, now see my Sachin. See my Sachin working? Yes, no. This is what kind of selector?
Attribute.
Attribute selector or not. Okay, na? This is an attribute selector. Okay. Up to here, these many selector we discussed, right? In the CSS. The same selectors I said like used where? Same
Java.
selectors I said like in JavaScript. In next automation testing also or not. In JavaScript, how the selectors are like useful to us means very important. See. Now, are you able to see my Google page? Are you able to see my Google page?
yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Okay. Now, can anyone tell me about elements tab? One line answer give me. Elements tab.
The web page content.
Okay, whatever the content loaded, that content related source code you have to tell. That content related source code we can see in the elements tab or not.
Yes,
At
sir.
the same time, each element applied with which CSS properties also we can see or not. Okay, na? Tell me about network tab. Come on, already discussed that. Network tab.
Request and response.
Request and responses we can track. Source.
Store the response.
Debugging purpose, and whenever you send a request and get the response, that response stored in the file explorer format or not. Yes, sir? Console.
Whatever the JavaScript code.
JavaScript code we are
Here
using.
it's a JavaScript working environment. We can write the JavaScript code is one thing, execute. Another one is like logging the messages or not. Info messages, warning messages, error messages, something like that. What about application? Can anyone?
We
Browser
can see the
storage.
storages, browser storages.
The browser storages we can see in the application tab. The browser storages we can see in the application tab. Everyone is okay? So let's go to the console. Okay, I want to write some JavaScript code where exactly the selectors are useful to us. Okay? So my question is what, listen carefully. Here Gmail is visible for all. Yes, no?
Yes.
That Gmail I don't want. Using JavaScript, can you hide that Gmail? Using JavaScript, can you hide that Gmail? Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm that lead. Just I asked you to do that one. So what you think in your mind? Tell me. So he said the Gmail has to hide. So first of all, the Gmail, how it is rendered, what is the element you have to find it or not? That element you have to hide it. Yes, no, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you can find this particular content related source code?
In
Inspect.
the elements tab.
Inspect. Okay, right click on it, do inspect. So in the elements tab, one element highlighted or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you put the cursor, which one is highlighted? Gmail. So I can say this particular source code rendered that content or not. I can confirm like this or not. Yes, no? This source code rendered this content or not. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I found that element. Using JavaScript, I want this element. See, now it's like in the elements tab. In JavaScript, I want this element. Okay, why? Because my requirement is using JavaScript, I want to hide it. Using JavaScript, how we can get this element? Very simple. Do right click on the element. Are you able to see there is multiple options over there now? Can I go to the copy? Can I go to the copy section?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there has one option is there, third option. What is that option?
Copy selector.
Can I click on the copy selector? Yes. I just clicked on the copy selector. Now go and paste it. So far, what selectors we discussed, those selectors only here you can find it. Okay, na? Yash GB is means what it means? Tell me.
ID.
The element whose ID is like GB or not? Yes or no? Everyone is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that element greater than means what? Come on, you have to find.
Direct children.
Direct.
That element direct children's or not? Yes. From that element direct children's, which one you are selecting?
Div.
Div. Dot GB something is there now. What is this dot dot dot? The div
Yes.
whose class name is this one or not? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the div whose class name is this one, up to here you can get it or not, something. After that, what? Greater than means again direct children.
Direct children.
Among those direct children, which one you are selecting?
And child one.
Div
Div.
whose child count is what?
1.
1.
1. Okay, once you get the element, again greater than means what?
Direct choice.
Direct children. So what you are selecting? Anchor or not?
Anchor.
Yes or no? Can we check? Can we check in the elements tab now? First, go to the element who have the ID is like GB. Can you find anywhere? Yes, here is the one. Are you able to see the
Yes.
element whose ID is like GB? Yes or no? Which element that is? Header. The
Yeah.
element can be anything. That's not a matter for me. Yes. So you are here. Greater than means all the direct childrens. Can I get all the direct childrens? How many to my GB? 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 are what?
Div.
Divs. So you also selected like divs only, but who's having this class or not? What is the class? GB underscore M, GB underscore 1, something like this. So which div have those classes? GB underscore M, GB underscore 1. This is only the one or not? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Then. Now, once you have that, okay, so that means you are here. Again, what is the selector? Greater than. So you are here. Greater than means all direct children you can get it or not. How many direct children you can get? 2. So that up to here you can get like 2. Among those 2, which div whose count is like 1, child count is like 1, that one you selected or not? Is nothing but among those
First one.
2, which one? This is the one or not? Yes. After that, greater than means what? Direct children. How many direct children are there to my div?
1.
1. Okay, what is that one? Anchor. You are also selected what? Anchor. So finally, my selector is pointing to this Gmail or not? Yes, no? Everyone?
Yes.
So you have the selector. So go to the console now. Once you have the selector, for now just remember this one. Okay, we not discussed. Document dot query selector. One method is there. Whatever you copied, just paste here. Whatever you copied, just paste here. Document dot. Can you remember this one? Can you spell out?
Query select.
Document dot query selector. Okay, method you can call it. Whatever you copied, just paste here. Can I click on enter? Yes. In JavaScript means in the console, are you able to get the element or not? Tell me. Are you able to get the element? Yes or no? This element in the JavaScript now, not like in the in the elements tab. You have that element in where? JavaScript or not? So this is my element. Okay, what you want me to do? You have to hide it.
Hide.
If you want to hide, can I apply the style? See the helpers, everything they are going to give. Style, which CSS property you want me to apply? Display, what is that property? Value?
None.
None. Now Gmail gone. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this logo I don't want. This logo I don't want. Come on, go to inspect.
Inspect.
Okay, this is my logo. Can I get the selector? How we can get the selector? Come on, spell out.
Copy.
Right
Click.
right
Hmm.
click in.
Copy. Copy.
Select.
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 Perfect. So go to console. What do you want me to do? Document dot.
Query select.
Query selector.
Selector, whatever you copied, just paste it. Yes. Now double check my element pointing to that image only or not? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So can I get that up to here element? What do you want me to do? I want to apply some style. Which style you want me to apply?
Display.
Tell me.
Display.
Display. Okay, style. Display.
Equal to none.
None. Gone. My Google logo gone or not? Okay, na? Now this about is there, na? This about text I don't want to. I want to VTS code there. So how we can? Come on. Go to, this is another way of finding the element or not? Yes,
Yes.
no? Click on it. This is the one. Right click on it. Tell me. Copy. Copy
Selector.
selector. After that, go to console,
Document dot
document
query
dot
selector.
query selector of what?
Copy the
Query
Paste it.
selector of paste it. Whatever you copied. Double check. Yes, this is the one or not. Once you have the element, that element, see, this is the JavaScript code. Just remember for now. Inner text is equals to VTS school. Now can I click on enter? Now my about is turned to be like what?
VTS school.
VTS
VTS.
school or not? Like this, we can perform some operations on my content or not. Okay, if you want to perform, content means element. If you want to perform the operations on element, first get the element. How we can get the element? This is one way. By using selectors we can get the element or not. Understood? Where exactly in JavaScript we are going to use?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Agreed?
Yes,
So
sir.
the same way in the automation testing also, the same kind of selectors we are going to use. The same kind of selectors we are going to use. Any questions, anyone so far?
No, sir.
Okay. So selectors are very, very important. And next weekend, I'm going to take like positions and flux grid. Okay. And those, okay, main topics we can complete. Okay. So HTML and CSS, you may not directly get the calls for HTML and CSS. You should learn React or Angular. But wherever the UI is there, wherever the UI application is there, HTML, CSS, JavaScript is like mandate. Got my point?
Yes.
Okay, na? Okay, then. The next one. Now let's go to our VTS school website. Okay, hope everyone registered. If you not register, just register here. Okay, now you can go to your enrolled courses. Okay, let's go to the videos. Okay, now onwards you can find the videos here. Okay, already 6 videos are done. 7 and 8 we are going to place here. Now if I click on the day 2, okay, just you can see the day 2 video, something like this. Just you can view that video here itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? All the videos you can find here.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you open that running notes once? What you written today?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. This one, like, can you just repeat that first child, last child, first of type, last of type,
First
those?
child is nothing but first children of any parent. Okay, na?
Okay.
Last children is nothing but last child of any parent. First
Okay.
of type means in the parent, if I travel top to bottom, first occurrence. Last of type means, okay, in the parent, if I travel top to bottom, first of type. If I travel bottom to top, first occurrence.
Okay.
Okay, greater than means direct children. Space, direct or indirect. Plus next sibling. Tilde, next siblings, plural. Nth child, child count selector. Okay, child count, based on child count, we can get that. This is universal and this is attribute selector.
Okay.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
except this, you not find any other selectors. Okay, if you see this, did you find any new selector here? No, no. Did you find any greater than? Okay, div whose class name is this one. Greater than whose class name is this one. Nth child, these only, na.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to share. Okay, everyone in the group, right? Okay, updates and everything we are going to give. Okay, in the group itself. Okay, you can follow that one. First of all, you can register and you can log in, confirm. Okay, your course and your videos are visible to you or not. If not visible, just you can post in the group so that we can have.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions, anyone?
Will we have the weekday classes? extra?
Yeah, I will tell to you. Okay, we're busy with some other things. Okay, we'll let you know. You're in the
Okay.
group, right?
Yeah, I'm in the
They added, right?
I'm in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, yes, you can get that.
And I'm not getting any courses, sir. Enrolled courses?
You're not getting any enrolled courses. You logged in, no?
Yeah, I logged in.
Okay, that means you not enroll the course. Okay,
Okay.
so that anyone knows the course ID? Anyone knows the course ID? We'll provide that course ID. Okay, once we provide the course ID, just you can put like, okay, enroll that course ID so that you can register directly here. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
the course ID is required. Course ID, yeah, this is the one, I guess. Full stack UI 3, yeah. This is the one. You can enroll here. You can enroll there. You can see which email ID, phone number you used for registration. Same email ID, phone number you can use it. Okay.
Are we having that workshop, sir, now?
No, no, no. Today we cancelled. Next week we take. Okay.
Okay.
So then to send a mail. Send. Okay. Any other questions, anyone? No? Okay then. Just prepare. Okay. Use the time. You can take just read. Okay, like this. Okay, every day 7 to 8 you have sessions. Think like that. 7 to 8 at least you can practice. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, every day we are taking the session is like 7 to 8. Think like that. 7 to 8, just focus on it. That 1 hour. Okay. Well then, thank you guys. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we'll upload those videos. Okay, you can see.